Good day everyone, welcome to my instructional video report. This is Ricardo Caminadi. Today I will discuss the impact of tree cutting in school activities. In this video, you will learn about its definition, importance and step-by-step process. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand and the key points that I will share. So let's get started. Impact of tree cutting in school activities. How does tree cutting affect the availability of shade and comfort within the school ground? It reduces shade. Number 1, trees provide natural shade that protects students and teachers from direct sunlight. Number 2, cutting trees reduces shaded areas, making school grounds hotter and less comfortable. What are possible impacts of tree cutting on student learning experiences and daily school activities? Number 1, environmental comfort. Less of shade makes classroom, hallways, and school grounds hotter. Students may feel uncomfortable, sweaty, and distracted during lessons. Outdoor activities like PE classes, flag ceremonies, school programs becomes harder under direct sunlight. Health and well-being. Without trees, there's less natural cooling, can lead to heat stress or fatigue. Poor air quality, less greenery can cause negatively affect mental health. Values and awareness. Tree cutting may spark awareness and advocacy. It could also create debates and lessons on balancing school development with sustainability. Less comfortable learning environment. Outdoor spaces like gardens, pathways, or waiting areas become less usable because they are too hot. How does tree cutting influence the air quality in the school environment? Tree cutting negatively influences the air quality in the school because trees act as natural air filters. They absorb carbon dioxide, and release oxygen while also trapping dust and pollutants. How does tree cutting affect the cleanliness and overall appearance of the school surroundings? What are possible impacts of tree cutting on student learning experiences and daily school activities? Save trees today, breathe easy tomorrow. So that's all my instructional video. Thank you for watching my instructional video report. I hope you learned something valuable about my topic, impact of tree cutting in school activities. Remember, the key points I discussed will help you apply this knowledge in real life situation. Once again, this is Ricardo Caminadi, and I appreciate your time and attention. Until next time. Goodbye and stay safe. God bless.